Hi, I'm Kathy Kolb, and I started a blog about ePublishing news, and this is the first video cast of it. I'll tell you why I'm starting the blog. And by the way, I'm sitting waiting for someone at a bus station, so I figured it'd be a good time for video blogging. Okay. Well, this is being recorded in August of 2009. I've had the Amazon Kindle since early this year. I had the Kindle 2, now I have the Kindle DX. I love them. I have the iPhone that has the Kindle app on it, Kindle Reader on it, which is cool. And we have, I have decided to take my company in this path of ePublishing, and so I have a web development company, and I am expanding our services to include ePublishing. Yesterday, we published our first book onto the Amazon Kindle through the Amazon Digital Text Platform, DTP, Digital Text Platform. The title is called Christ's Team, a 21st Century Look at Christianity. And we learned a lot through that. And this market is changing so much that I want to share thoughts with a wider audience. As I learn and as my editor learns things, I want to share them and hopefully have a discussion with you, the viewers and listeners and readers, about this e-publishing market. So, what does the market look like today? Or what does the field look like today? Well, Kindle has a market share of the e-reader devices, and Sony trails them. The Kindle, an incredible device, easy to read, uses the e-ink technology, will read to you most books. Some authors are turning that function off, but most are leaving it on. So there's a text-to-speech engine in the Kindles, which do very nicely. A big feature is that it has cell phone receiver interface so that you can shop online, you can do basic web browsing online, and you can order a book and have it within a minute via the Sprint cell phone network. They call it WhisperNet. A very good feature, a unique feature, and a game changer, I believe. Word is that Sony, of course, is working on that feature. Plastic Logic is working on the feature, but right now Kindle owns it. Of course, the applications for the iPhone, if you are in a Wi-Fi area, that works really well, that you can access web content via broadband, and that does work very nicely. Okay, so as of August 2009, the Plastic Logic device, which I believe Barnes & Noble is getting behind, is not on the market yet. Word is first quarter of 2010. There are a bunch of little e-readers, by little I mean little market shares. A bunch of them. Do a Google search for them and you'll find them. For different purposes. A lot of them are focused at different things. What do I expect? Well, first of all, this market is very interesting because it is a developing market. The hardware is not even solidified yet. The formats are not solidified yet. Amazon bought Moby Pocket, a French company, and uses a modified version of their Moby format that outputs a PRC file, and Amazon then has relabeled that. Sony just this past week announced that it would change its books and its libraries and their readers over to support and use primarily the ePub format, an industry specification much like MP3, JPEG, that type of a spec. So ePub, that was a big move for Sony. I would expect Amazon to follow that. And the big thing is this is sort of like VHS and Betamax, you know, one of them will win. Sort of like HD DVDs and Blu-ray, only one. You want to be able so that if you buy your book at Sony, but in the future, if you upgrade to a Kindle, that you can transfer that book to your Kindle. You want it in the same format without having to hook up your computer to your device and run some third-party conversion software. So ePub made a big gain last week, and we'll see if Amazon covers that. I suspect they will. Can you imagine, though? I mean, Amazon has 300,000 files in the current Amazon file format, and they're going to have to convert all of them if they move over to the ePub. So, you know, these are big issues. So we have a hardware market that is developing, software formats that are developing, creation software, production software for those formats that are developing, and I think this is going to be an exciting time. You know, you can go to YouTube.com now and see a lot of content because YouTube made it easy for people to publish their videos. I think that in just a year or two, Amazon's digital text platform could be like YouTube with tons of content. Thanks for watching.